Did you know you can create your own handwritten labels with the Artspira app and combine them with the built-in shapes for easy appliquéd labels? This is the perfect way to personalize gifts and more. To begin, touch New, choose Drawing Tools, and then select your hoop size. Choose your stitch type, running stitch or zigzag stitch, and slide the smoothing bar to the right for a smoother drawing. You will find a stylus for your tablet to be helpful when handwriting. Begin drawing your label. You can switch between stitch types between a running stitch and a zigzag stitch, and if you make a mistake, you can always touch Undo. Continue drawing your label. When finished, you can use one of the built-in shapes to turn it into a patch. Touch the Shape tool, select Shapes, and then touch a shape to select it. Touch Insert and size it to fit around your handwriting. Once it's the desired size, touch Done. For even more shape options, you can combine the handwriting with one of the machine built-in shape options after retrieving the handwriting at the machine. Making labels, tags, and more is quick and easy with Artspira.